Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is where I share updates and teach you how to earn in USDT, making money for yourself and bagging a lot of income in 2025. So quickly, this is the platform we'll be working with. From this platform, I'll be teaching you how you can earn through this platform. This is the interface of the platform. Once you register, you can see member lists, people that have been cashing out and earning from this website. So quickly, let's move to the VIP. These are packages you unlock in this website and start making money for yourself. They call it robots. So they have from robot 1 to robot 10. So they hire the robots, you invest, they hire your income. So this is how it's done. Quick, let me teach you how to recharge. Once you click on recharge, this is the interface. You choose any USDT of your choice and you recharge. So I'll be teaching you on how you can withdraw from this platform. So once you click on withdrawal, it takes you to this interface. What you just have to do is input how much you want to withdraw, your withdrawal address, password, and your contact information. Immediately your money is transferred to your wallet, and you can earn a lot of money in this platform by inviting friends. All you just have to do is click on your referral link and send it to your friends. Make sure that it has your referral code, and you'll be earning commissions, and that is how you earn massively. Even after investing or without investing in this platform, you can see there are different levels of commissions for you to earn. They have level 1, level 2, level 3. So this level 1, you'll be earning 12% commission. In level 2, you'll be earning 2% commission. In level 3, also 2% commissions. So this is it. So you just have to invite your friends and they use a referral link, and you are earning in a massive way in this platform, and you're bagging a lot of money for yourself, and the money is quickly added to your wallet. So click on task. Is used to monitor your activities in the website, the works you have done, and your daily profits. Remember that this you earn daily in this platform. I hope you find this video very helpful. Please subscribe to our channel so you'll be first to be notified once we upload new amazing videos of platforms that you can earn from. And please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much. Bye.